Hello everybody, I'm Mushroom, and this is Quality Content Part 2. So, yeah. This is a helicopter. It flies, and it destroys phones. This is a raccoon hat. You wear it and you become a raccoon, and you live in the forest with the raccoons. These are headphones. You use them to hear stuff, and you can plug it into anything. You can plug into the wall, and you can hear the wall. This is a battery. You put it in anything, and it gives it power. So you can put it in a pillow, and your pillow will be supercharged. This is a flag. You hang it up, and it shows that you are that thing that the flag shows. So yeah, that's all. Like and subscribe. It's a short video. I changed my YouTube channel name. You guys can tell. It's Mushroom. You might be asking why, and I don't know why. I just did. So yeah, that's all.